Did you know that building a sunroom is like adding a home extension to your house? It requires a solid foundation to ensure its stability and durability. Hi, I'm Lana, technical specialist at GoliathTech. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channels for more interesting tips and tidbits. At GoliathTech, we've seen many types of sunrooms. Some that are at ground level, some that are on the second level, and some that have decks attached to them. But in all cases, they have one thing in common. They all need a strong and durable foundation to ensure the stability and safety for those who are enjoying it for years to come. Which is why you'll definitely want to consider helical piles. The first and most important thing that should never be underestimated is the extra stress and loads that are being applied to your current home foundation. Sunrooms act as an extension to your already existing home foundation. They can add considerable amounts of weight that might not have been taken into consideration in the original construction of your home. If your sunroom is not properly supported, the new construction can start pulling on the old one and can create gaps where the flashing connects with your current foundation. This might subject your home to water infiltrations or other problems down the line. That's why helical piles are a great option. Whether you live in cold climates where the ground freezes and thaws, or whether you want to install your sunroom where soil conditions are prone to sinking, you'll want to guarantee that your foundation is solid and alleviate that extra stress created on your existing foundation. You might be asking, what will the cost impact on my project be? Or when throughout the process am I supposed to contact the local GoliathTech installer to get the piles installed? In short, installing the helical piles is the first part of your process after you have your plans. Opting for a more traditional foundation such as deck blocks or concrete pillars over helical piles might seem like a good idea budget-wise at first, but could result in a nightmare down the line. Unlike helical piles, some of the more traditional foundation systems used have no way of guaranteeing the exact loads that they can take. And that's something we can all agree is pretty important. Overall, the peace of mind and simplicity that the helical piles will bring to your project far exceeds the slight additional costs that may be involved compared to other foundation systems. So if you're thinking of building a new sunroom to extend your enjoyment of the outdoors season, think of us. We'd love to help. Thanks for listening, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.